And I'll give you a tour of our new apartment. It's not new, it's actually like over 100 years old. But we just moved to New York City and we are so excited to finally have a place to live. We've had a pretty rough process of finding an apartment, which is a story for a whole nother time. But we finally have one, so I'm gonna give you a tour. Our movers, I don't know where they are, but
our movers are taking a week and a half to get their stuff to us.
But anyways, I thought before we have all of our stuff in here, it might be fun to do like an empty apartment tour and show you like what I plan to do and what I love about the apartment, what I don't love, and all of that. So we chose space over brand new appliances. We don't have a dishwasher or what else? Washer dryer, we don't have that, but we do have it in the building.
We don't really have a temperature, a thermostat, it kind of just use our radiator. Yeah, no air conditioning.
So, but we have space, and that was important to me. And for some reason I was drawn to the really old, super old apartments. I just love all the character and the thick molding and the high ceilings and the archways, the French doors, the windows, just everything about it. I don't know, I just felt like it's the only type of apartment I really wanted to look at, the really old ones. So when you walk in,
this is our foyer.
This is our little entryway, although I think I might make this a little dining room because it might fit our table. We'll see tomorrow. But from the entryway, you can go to our bedrooms or the central living room, and then I'll show you the last room. But let's walk in here first.
And there are it's a great little archway right here into this living space. And Colby's already found her spot right here.
I'm struggling a bit with how to decorate this room because I thought this would be like our TV room, put a couch here, but then it's like, where are you gonna put the TV stand? I guess you can put a tiny one right here. But I don't know, so I'm still kind of struggling with how to decorate this room. It might end up being just like a quieter study room with like a couch and like books and all of that. So we'll see. But as you can see, we have
beautiful window here.
You can see like the building here, but if you look this way, we are actually on a really busy road. So we have really good views in our bedrooms. And if you walk in here, we actually somehow have another, I think it's meant to be a dining room, but I think it's so big, it's too big for me to be a dining room. So I kind of broke it up. This is gonna be a breakfast area. I have a round table that will go here. And then I think this room might end up being our actual living room with like a TV stand on this wall and a couch along this wall. I think the couch would just be like along this wall and then like have a little chase over here just so it doesn't block those doors. But I think that'll look good. I think it'll be nice and cozy in here.
Maybe a little gallery wall on that wall over the couch.
Yeah, something.
Here's actually a better view of the neighborhood out that way. But we'll show you more.
So next I'll show you the kitchen. And the kitchen, we got really lucky with the kitchen. It's really spacious, but I really like the fact that it needs some updates because I want to like experiment a little bit and find renter-friendly ways to update a space. So let's go in. And I'll show you the first update that I want to make. So if you come in here, I'll go over here. I started doing like grout restoring, but I need to do like a few layers of it. I honestly don't know what color this grout is supposed to be. Like it's black over there, it's white over here, so who knows? I don't know.
Just some old grout.
Yeah, so I like this little area. I feel like you could totally even put like a table here. This is not...
Just an extra door we have.
Yeah, I'm not
to
sure
the hallway.
I kind paint the door. But
Let's paint it.
anyways, I bought this. This is a sample of a floor sticker that I think I'm gonna order more of. And you just literally put them on your tiles. You can get them in different sizes, but I kind of want this to be our floor. We've got some open shelves over here. I did order some like contact paper to test out on this countertop just because it's kind of basic and not really, it's not bad.
Formica countertop.
Yeah, but it's just, I don't know. I might order some like peel and stick tile for the backsplash. Maybe update these little guys. So there's a lot to do.
Here's the all important coffee station. With an espresso.
Yeah, we did pack that. If the movers had that, that would be tragic. So, oh, this is an example of like, you can get contact paper for your countertops. I would love to have like a little tiny bistro area, bistro inspired area, and have like some sort of shelf going up there with some frames and maybe like a little teeny tiny table right here. And that's about it for the kitchen. I mean, I feel like it just has so much potential. You know, it's bright, it's white, it's just so good.
It's a beautiful blue sky day here in New York.
Also, if you're new here, TJ's job brought us here. He used to fly here every week, so now it'll just be like no travel.
My commute is much shorter now.
Next, I'm going to take you to our bedroom. So this apartment has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So we are going to go this way.
This is Colby's bedroom right here. Damn, she does not like the camera. One thing about this apartment, there's so much closet space too. Here's like a little coat closet.
Yeah. We actually decided to get this apartment before even seeing it in real life. I actually found an apartment online, the one underneath us, and by the time I had emailed the broker, it had been taken, but she was so helpful, the broker we used was so helpful that she like knew the super here, and she asked if there was anything else similar, and luckily he was like, yeah, there's actually one that's right above the one I was interested in, so that's what we have. We would not have gotten this without that broker. Like this apartment wasn't even on Street Easy. It was not even like on the market when it came available.
But this is a little mini bedroom.
Yeah. I might try and,
or office type.
I honestly might put my desk here, but this would be a good guest room.
Yeah. One thing, these are all like little storage closets.
Yeah, this
too,
is
so
very convenient.
Very, very convenient. But this is a little mini hallway that connects the bedrooms.
Yep. And then our 1 bathroom is right here.
1 bathroom.
I actually really like this shower. It's cool. Like the faucet thingy is like in the center, which is so interesting to me.
Shower head?
Shower head, yeah.
Well, and the faucet too down there is in the center as well.
Yeah. I like it. It's like cozy. It could be worse, you know, like this.
We saw a pink shower or bathroom, like just big pink tiles that Shelby was like, oh, it's not that bad. It was that bad.
No, it wasn't.
And now this is much better.
Yeah, so this is our bathroom. We're gonna have to get used to sharing 1 sink and 1 bathroom, but I think it should be fine. And then over here it's like the master bedroom.
As you can see, we got the big old air mattress in here still till our stuff comes tomorrow.
This room gets the best light, and it's a pretty good size. Like we'll be able to luckily bring our king bed.
Yeah, we'll fit the king bed in here. There's Colby.
Get a dresser to go along there.
Well, here's some
Also,
views.
don't mind all the stuff in this room. This is like, we've just been living out of our suitcase.
Well, yeah, we have been living out of our suitcases.
Yeah, so this over here is a closet. These doors are so tall, but it's a pretty good sized closet, like for New York, you know?
Yeah.
So, I don't know. You gotta, when you come to New York, you have to like pick and choose. You can't really get whatever you want, everything you want.
I don't know, this was pretty much everything that Shelby wanted.
Well, but a dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
We don't have a dishwasher.
That was never, you never
You're
said.
right. I just assumed everyone had a dishwasher. Like it's 2020.
Yeah, the
Apparently not.
dishwasher's named Shelby.
No.
That's the dishwasher.
I guess that's normal in New York. Like if you have a dishwasher and a washer and dryer, that's like
Luxury.
So, it'll be fine. I need to wash my dishes anyways. Like I need to get in the habit of just washing my dishes after I use them.
Yeah.
I like it. What's your favorite part about it?
Favorite part about it is probably just like the master bedroom and like what you can see and the views and how big it is and being able to fit our
So
bed
we're
in here.
coming from a suburb in North Carolina. So everything about this city is just so new to us, and like it's just so weird being able to walk outside and like get your bagel right there. And like
We're in a pretty good area. That's like one thing I like as well.
and okay, no, the best part, I didn't talk about the best part. The best part,
What's the best part, Shelby?
the parks. You're moving to New York and you have a dog and you're worried if your dog will like adapt. The upper west side and east side both were like the only places we ended up looking eventually because of the parks, like Central Park, Riverside Park. There's just so many parks and green space that it's such like a good escape from the city when you need it, and dogs love it. It was hard finding a dog-friendly apartment for big dogs, but once you found that,
Colby was the one that was kind of keeping us from getting an apartment because she's
no
just a
one
big
wanted
dog.
to give her an apartment because she was a large dog.
Just
But
a
I think
large
large
dog.
dogs are the sweetest.
They are the sweetest.
So, anyways, that's our apartment tour. I'm going to,
Thanks for coming to our crib.
I'm going to link my rugs, and that's about it.
We'll link this air mattress.
I will link this bedding.
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.